good day out there. 748 just sounding good in Virginia. We'll wave again. 748, 51 Virginia. We'll catch you.
Yeah, out there, let Mother Nature help me out a little bit too where I can. And, it's all good. Ain't no doubt about it. Motormouth Mall, the West Coast Beast, cut down.
Every day around left country. 51, 748, Kelly.
By 748, like the way you key that big mall, and I like all that mods coming out of that radio. 748, take care out there, 51 Virginia, and we'll catch you again.
Say, OFF, where did you come from? You come rolling up in there real loud this morning. Hello, OFF, Mobile, Alabama, radio station, Motormouth Mall, waving and looking around your neck of the woods as well. And by the way, OFF, yesterday I had this thing all dialed in a certain way, and we did a little shootout and everything else, and man, you did real good, by the way. And then I went and changed things around a little bit. I opened it up a little bit more. How's it sound today compared to yesterday in your receiver, that big old Kenwood they're breaking up? Mr. OFF, while you're both making a fine trip out here on the Central Coast of Motormouth Mall, waving I'm stepping.
267 Trapper sounding good up there in Colorado today. 51 Virginia. 267 Mr. Trapper, 51 Virginia.
7 lights out from hell. There's a couple people. 410. While you're back out, I'm gonna get back on the side, read the mail for a little bit, maybe 27 on the dial. Who knows what I'm gonna be doing over here on this end? But hello to you once again, Deputy Dog, radio station Motormouth Mall, your West Coast Beast stepping.
Hey, Trapper sounding good around Colorado. 51 Virginia. If I can get through all the mess one more time. 267 Trapper, 51 Virginia. We go.
Yeah, for us, a good sounding starter, kid. Make no mistake about it, my friend. Take care. 7-3's Deputy Dog, Motormouth Mall. The Beast walked on through. Instead of Motor City of the Mojave. Yeah, 10-4, making sure the Deputy Dog don't have fleas. He may be the itchy dog if he got fleas they're breaking. Too. I ain't gonna say no more. I think you might need some of the ring. Out there in Virginia. Be safe out there. 267 Trapper, Colorado. Said that we're on the side.
Hey, 267 Trapper, have a good day out there, and I hope the snow ain't too bad. 51 Virginia. Finally warming up out here a little bit out there at zero stuff. Trapper, 51 Virginia. Catch it.
Hello, 51 Virginia. I gotta say hello to you real fast. Let me step wide to the side and take care, Deputy Dog. I heard you in there. I did. Take care, 7-3. Say 51 Virginia. Hello to you, my friend. Radio station, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast Beast waving. 7 Trappers on the side.
Hey, hello, Motormouth Mall. Good morning out there. Sound like you got plenty of company in your radio, so let me get on the other way. Hey, Motormouth, sound good as always. 51, saying good morning.
Hey, Mr. Off, Clockwork. I appreciate that too, man. Ain't no doubt about it. Hello to you, Pee-wee, out there on the bluegrass while you say you're trying to make it up around the Motormouth Mall talk show. No, it's your talk show there, Pee-wee. You got that thing down out here in the Central Coast of California. No doubt about it. Pee-wee around the bluegrass. Motormouth Mall, your West Coast Beast got down.
Mount Mall. He's 25 miles south of me. Catch you later, Mr. Off. Have a good afternoon. Copper heads out.
Copperhead, 51, Virginia.